everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be opening my Archer and Olive Valentine's Day box. I am so excited to open this up. It looks so cute. I love this color pink, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. It might be small, but it's kind of heavy for its size, so I'm really excited to know what is all of that weight. And this box will be $67 retail. As with most of the Archer and Olive boxes, you won't be able to use an affiliate code or a discount code. However, if you'd like to support me, you can shop my link below. I will put my link in the description, and you can use my code CRAFTINATED10 on other items from the Archer and Olive store. This box will be releasing on January 21st, which is Friday, at 9 a.m. Central Time. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. This is so cute. I love these color combos. Okay, so first thing in here, it says, "You're about to break our heart, and we're okay with that. Just pop this open and see what we mean." Alright, so let's put that to the side. I'll come back to that. And then we have some acrylograph colors. I don't know if the names are going to be on here or not. They're 0.7 millimeter. And it says they're great for layering, blending, works on dark surfaces too. And I am not sure that I've ever seen these colors before. So let's take a look. Such a pretty color palette. I love that. So no names on them, but that's fine. I love this color palette. Super cute. So we'll try those out at the end. Probably just do it on some white paper this time. And then 2UXOXO Archer and Olive. We'll put that to the side. 2 sets of enamel keychains. Keep both or give one to your BFF. That's cute. Ooh, I love the design on this. I like the stamp. That's so cute. So let's put this box down here so we can start looking at what this stuff actually is. So this is a really, really, really cute book. I love it. This stamp is so cute on here, and I love these colors. So I don't know what it is on this because I'm keeping the branding on the back. So we'll open that in just a second. I want to see what is in here. So that is so cute. It's a keychain, and it has like a waffle cone, and it has flowers coming out of it. That is adorable. I love that with the ampersand on here. That is such a cute keychain. I love it. Let's see what the other one is. Oh, it's so adorable. It's a ice cream truck. So it's an ice cream truck, but it has flowers in it. So it kind of goes with this. So you can get your ice cream cone bouquet from your ice cream flower truck. That is so cute. And it also has the ampersand on here with the gold link. I love this. So cute. This is probably what was helping contribute to the weight of it. So this is "You're So Cool." And this one says "You're the Sweetest." Very Valentine's. I love those. We'll put those over here. And then we're going to open up this package. And it is some coloring sheets. Oh no, they're little postcards. Did it say that on here? It didn't. So these are like little postcards that you can color in and give to your friends for Valentine's. So it's "You're the stars to my moon." And then there's the back, and it has a place to put the stamp there. "We go together like tea and lemons." That's cute. "We're the perfect pair." And "You're the donut to my coffee." Love that one. So those are really, really cute. I love these. This is such a fun box. Alright, so let's see here. I'm gonna put, let's see what's in here. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see what it says. Hey there, Valentine. Let's see what you got. Share a video of you opening your party popper. So it's a party popper on Instagram. Be sure to tag your crush. I know they'd like to see. That's us. We're your crush at Archer and Olive. How to open your popper. Pull the tassel. Or option 1, pull the tassel. Option 2, grab the heart with both hands and use your amazing strength to rip it down the middle. Option 3, get creative with it. Pop to it. Okay. P.S. You might want to clear off an area before opening. Nobody wants a party explosion on their laptop. Okay, so let's put that there. We'll open that last. So let's see what the journal looks like. I'm really excited to see what this looks like. I'm hiding that from myself so I can't ruin the surprise for me. And oh my goodness, it's so cute. It matches the keychain. That is so cute. It's almost that same color pink as the Pink Bits was. So it's a very like pink, and then it has this really cute gold foiled floral inside of a waffle cone with a little tiny heart here and some little hearts up there. Super cute. Let's see if what the inside looks like. And I'm guessing it's just your standard Archer and Olive with, you got your pen loop, your elastic closure. This book belongs to. It is a dot grid. You have your two bookmarks down here, one with the charm, one's just the ribbon, and then you have your pocket in the back. That's really, really cute. So let me get a piece of white paper so we can swatch these acrylographs. Okay, so I shook all of my pens up. This is like the most orange of them all. So I'm just gonna write hello. And I love that. I think that's a great color to go with pink. So much fun. Alright, so this one is more of like a orangey orange, and like that's more of like a golden-y color. I don't know. In my opinion. So let's see. This says hello. And that is really cute. And these write so well. So I primed them and shook them and primed them before I started writing, and I am in love with these. So this one's like a peachish color, maybe a little bit more orange. Really cute. I may have to use these for February. This one's more pink, and I know I'm gonna love this color. Yes, love it. This is like the same color, like it's really similar to like the box. I love it. That's my favorite one. Well, there's one more, but so far that's my favorite one. And then this is the last one. It's very pale pink, and I'm not sure if it's gonna pick up on camera, but it is so cute. It's like more of like a pale or even like a baby pink, but that is so cute. I'm in love with these colors. What a great combination for this box. So now let's go ahead and open the popper. I'm really excited to see what this is about. So let me move this. This is so cute. I cannot wait to see what's inside of it. So I guess I'm just gonna pull it. I'm just gonna pull it. Ooh, look at that. Oh, let's see, it's in here. Oh, there's so much stuff. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. I think all my stickers were blocking my confetti. So it looks like there's some clips in here. These are so cute. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips in there, and then there's all this really fun confetti. And then there is a teapot sticker. A You're the Donut to My Coffee sticker. There's, oh my gosh, how cute is that little coffee cup? That's adorable. You're the Stars to My Moon. We Go Together Like Tea and Lemons. We're the Perfect Pair. Some really cute stars. Oh my goodness, it is. It's a pear. There's a pear. Oh my gosh. A moon. And another pair. Well, because you have to have a pair of pears, obviously. And I think that's everything that was in here. But how much fun is that? I love it. Oh, there's one more. One more sticker. Two more stickers. Alright, is there anything else hiding in here? No. Alright, so this is a donut and a lemon. How cute. So they have the things that, so it's like you're my donut to my coffee, and you're the tea to my lemon, and you're the moon to my stars, and we're a perfect pair. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm going to clean up this mess. But how awesome. So you get a whole bunch of little cute stickers. You get 6 clips, 5 acrylographs, 2 keychains. You get these really cute postcards that you can color in and send to your friends or family, and then you get a really beautiful journal. I think that's awesome. And then this right here, you can just, it looks like you can just close it back up, and now you have like this really cute like hanging. I'm gonna keep mine. I have a lot of things hanging up over on my pegboard, and this will be perfect on there. I think it's super cute. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I am in love with this. I think this is adorable. I love this color pink. I love all of the acrylographs. These are so fun. This pink right here is my favorite, and I'm sure this pink would look amazing on blackout because it's really light. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below, and as always, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can do that by hitting the bell below, and you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.